Hi, this is Chelley, your virtual classmate from the ETV Student Club. Nagpadala daw si teacher ng calendar invite para makapag-join ka sa Google Meet. So, paano mo ba yun makikita? Simple lang. Kailangan mo lang pumunta sa iyong Google Calendar. But again, make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. Once na nandito ka na sa Google homepage, ang isang option para ma-access mo ang iyong calendar is through Google Apps. Makikita mo ito sa upper right corner ng Google homepage, itong 9 dots over here. When you click this, you will see different Google applications. Ang kailangan mo lang hanapin ay ang icon ng Google Calendar, which is this one. Then all you have to do is click it at mapupunta ka na sa iyong Google Calendar. At dito, makikita mo na ang invite ni teacher, which is Ready to Rock Class. I-click mo lang ito at may makikita ka na ditong button to join Google Meet. So when you click this, it will take you right away to your meeting. Another option that you can do to go to Google Calendar is to type the URL calendar.google.com on the address bar. At mapupunta ka na din sa iyong Google Calendar. And same pa rin, makikita mo ang invitation ni teacher which is Ready to Rock Class. So that's it. It's up to you kung saan ka mas nadadalian, whether through Google Apps or typing the URL. Ang importante, makapag-join ka sa inyong Google Meeting with your teacher and classmates. Again, this is Chelley for EduRescueTV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!